Welcome back to another video, YouTube. It's your boy Brian Felix here, bringing you guys another video. Today's a very special video, and yeah, we got a bunch of cars we're gonna get done. So Victor actually came here to this client before I did, and he's starting on the Tesla model, I think it's a model, it says Model E or Model 3, I don't know, you guys tell me. But yeah, we're just gonna go ahead and give this a wipe down, a vacuum. Victor already washed the outside. We're just gonna do some tire shine, get the glass cleaned up and stuff like that. And then we have another vehicle that's coming that we started last week, but we got rained on, so we couldn't wash the outside. So we're just gonna go ahead and knock that one out too. But yeah, I appreciate y'all for watching this video. Sit back, relax, enjoy the video, and I'll catch you guys in a few. Alright, so I have this new tire shine here from Majestic Solutions. I don't know if you guys ever heard of this, but we're just, gonna go ahead and try some of this tire shine here. Now, it's kind of hard to do reviews on stuff because they all ideally do kind of like the same thing. So we're just gonna go ahead and spray some on this brush here. Alright, so I put some tire shine on this tire here. Now it's tire shine, so it's shining, of course. And then this one doesn't have tire shine yet. So I don't know if you guys can pick up the difference on these tires, but yeah, let's just go ahead and apply some to this front one too. Alright, you guys, so I'm actually in the car right now. I'm driving to pick up Jonathan. I think he was in my last videos, but I'm picking up Jonathan, and he's gonna go ahead and help us out with these last two vehicles that me and Victor have. Now, people just, I don't know, man, people just don't make it with us, man. They just don't. I didn't know it was gonna be this difficult to hire employees, but I just look for, excuse me, I gotta like burp and stuff, my bad, you guys, but I just look for like the best, you know what I'm saying? Like, I know it's hard to, but when you run a business and it's your baby, it's your everything, you work as hard as possible for everything that you do, right? You don't just want to hire anybody, you don't want to just take anyone on. And I'm just trying to, I'm just trying to be realistic, but I'm also just trying to be hard, because these people that I'm hiring are gonna take my business and take it to the next level, right? So I need top tier people only, right? So that's the struggle, the chronicles that are going on right now. I'm sorry if I'm not looking in the camera, but I'm just on the highway right now. This traffic is stupid right now. But yeah, that's kind of the struggle I'm going through right now, is just trying to hire people and making sure that we can and are able to hire top tier people only. So yeah, so right now I'm just picking up Jonathan. He hit me up mid-detail. We had those two cars. So we had the Mazda SUV we just did, and the Tesla, and then this morning we did a Honda Civic Si that we didn't get to record. But yeah, I mean, it's tough, man. Entrepreneurship is tough. And the crazy thing about it is that Indeed charges you for every person that applies, right? So they charge you $10 for every application, right? And none of these people have worked out so far. So it's like, you know, I spent like $400 on trying to hire people, and not even one has worked out. You get what I'm saying? So it's kind of like, it's tough. I'm not here complaining. I'm just trying to be real with you guys and let you know, if you're gonna go through the same stuff, you know, learn from what's going on right here with me, because I really hope that you can learn and it can help you in your future hiring process and stuff like that. But yeah, I'm gonna stop talking because it's probably loud and you probably can't hear me that good. And I'll just catch you guys once I pick up Jonathan and we head off to the last 2 cars for the day. Alright, YouTube, so we just foamed the car down. Now we're gonna go ahead and wash it, clay bar it, and polish it to seal the paint. So I'm trying to record for you guys, but I don't have my tripod, so let's go ahead and get this done. Alright, you guys, so we are near the end of the video here, but we're not fully finished yet. So right now what I'm doing is polishing the paint. Well, at least I'm trying to. I kind of got, you know, disrupted a few times because I had to go help somebody, and then as soon as I came back, I had, you know, a client or a potential client come up to me and ask us, you know, about our detailing services and our pricing and stuff like that. So I kind of had to like step out, you know, and pay attention and be attentive to that prospect client. Now this is kind of cool to see for you guys because you can see kind of how it would be out in the field. You know, people see you detailing, especially if you're out there for a while, and you know they're gonna be curious. I'm like, what are they doing there? What's their pricing, and when can I get mine done? So this client actually had a limousine. So if you guys keep watching the videos, you might see that, you know, limousine in a future video. But I simply told the client, you know, look, I'm kind of busy right now. You know, he kind of stepped me to the side. I spoke with him for like 10 minutes, you guys. And that 10 minutes can, you know, set the whole detailing process back like a huge chunk. So thankfully I had Victor and Jonathan with me, so they were able to, detail the black Mercedes Benz while I, went ahead and polished the white one. But it's just something you got to keep in mind when you're out there detailing. People are curious; they want to know your pricing and stuff like that. So it's gonna happen. You just got to make sure that you're aware on how much time you're spending with these potential clients. Try not to talk too much, but definitely give them a lot enough information. And yeah, just keep working, man. Keep working. This is gonna be the end of the video here. These are just some after shots of both the white and black Mercedes Benz. Hopefully you liked the video. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up, like, comment, share, subscribe, and I will catch you guys on the next video. Let's go.